The playbook for growing a local business online is simple. Capture new leads, conversationally convert those leads into sales, turn those customers into positive reviews, and then reactivate those customers into repeat buyers. And that's exactly what our platform does. In order to consistently generate new leads, first, you need to be found. And the quickest way to get search engines like Google to put your business at the top of search results is by having a steady flow of positive reviews. With A20 Connect, you can show up in search and stand apart from your local competition by easily collecting new customer reviews through text. But getting found is only the beginning. Most customers choose the first business that responds to them. So unless you start conversations with potential customers almost instantly, they'll go somewhere else. That's why A20 Connect makes starting conversations with website visitors as easy as clicking a button, connecting you instantly through text message so the conversation doesn't end when they leave your website, and A20 Connect brings all your leads, no matter where they come from, into a single conversation stream that supports text, email, video messaging, Google Business Chats, and even Facebook and Instagram DMs, so you can respond faster and more efficiently than ever. When it comes to turning all those conversations into customers, A20 Connect makes collecting payments just another convenient part of the convo, so you get paid faster, no matter how they prefer to pay. Next, you'll want to turn your new customers into happy reviews, which is a snap with A20 Connect's review request quick actions. The more conversations and customers you generate, the easier it becomes to drive repeat business. A20 Connect makes reactivating contacts into customers as easy as, yep, you guessed it, the push of a button. With bulk actions, you can send out text and email campaigns to generate new sales whenever you have a new update, promotion, or story to tell. A20 Connect makes modern online marketing simple. Let's start growing your business today.